The executive assistant to the embattled former central bank governor, Godwin Emefiele, John Adetola, revealed a shocking revelation to a Lagos Special Offences Court sitting in Ikeja that he handed over $400,000 to Emefiele. Adetola narrated this before Justice Rahman Oshodi when he was led in evidence by the Counsel for Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), Mr. Rotimi Oyedepo San. Recall that Emefiele is standing trial for an alleged abuse of office, $4.5 billion and 2.8 billion naira fraud while in office, while Henry Omoile is standing trial over alleged acceptance of gifts by agents. The Guardian gathered that the witness told the court that he was the former CBN governor's executive assistant and that he managed office correspondence, attended to visitors, and other tasks. Adetola told the court he joined the CBN in June 2014, saying, "Before I joined, I worked with Zenith Registrar before it became Veritas Registrar." He also told the court that he knew the former CBN governor, Emefiele, as the managing director of Zenith Bank before he joined the CBN, adding that he communicated with him through telephone, email, and verbal means. He said when he was invited by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, he made a voluntary statement based on the interview the officials had with him. Emefiele's counsel, Mr. Olalekan Ojo, San, did not object that the documents be tendered for identification purpose. However, second defendant's lead counsel, Mr. Adeyinka Kotoye San, objected and argued that the document had no basis in law. In a bench ruling, Justice Oshodi admitted the document for identification purposes, marked as Identification 1, after considering the parties' submissions. Oshodi subsequently adjourned the case to December 10th for cross-examination of the witness. We will continue to keep you updated on real-time news stories. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.